As the Delhi election campaign heightens with voting on the 5th of February, this is actually a make or break election, particularly for Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party. This is an election that will determine the trajectory his party will take one way or the other. If the AAP loses Delhi, then it could lead to a potential unraveling of the AAP. It could lead to defections and have consequences beyond the borders of Delhi. Because remember, the AAP is also in power in Punjab and is a constituent of the India bloc that is already struggling to stay together. But if the AAP does pull off a victory in Delhi despite all the anti-incumbency, 10 years of being in power, having the BJP really sort of rail against it, that will be a huge victory for Arvind Kejriwal, particularly after everything that he has gone through. It will have ramifications for the India alliance as well, because once again it will strengthen the belief that regional leaders like Kejriwal or even a Mamata Banerjee are perhaps better suited to lead the alliance than the Congress party, which has actually not done so well in a series of state polls in recent months. So whichever way this election goes, the stakes are very high for Arvind Kejriwal. It's a mixed record for the AAP, which has done well on certain parameters like health and education, but has struggled on issues like civic infrastructure and has taken a beating on a series of corruption allegations, which it has strongly denied. It's up now to the voters of Delhi to decide which way they're going to go.